Up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you are going to see how to download cool wallpapers for laptop. So all of us just want our laptop screen to look cool. So for that, we just need a lot of cool wallpapers. So where you can find it, I'm heading over to the Chrome browser, and once I'm in here, I'm searching for HQ wallpapers, qualitywalls.com. Let me just head over to this one. And here, just head over there. And here you will find all sorts of wallpaper you need. There are a lot of categories in here, like superheroes, games, artists, and whatnot. Their list is so long. And there is some trending ones like GTA 6, Wicked, Dog, Venom, The Last Dance, Spider-Man, Deadpool, and Wolverine's ones too. So you can just download it from here, and you can also search for your wallpapers by just filling out this field. So yeah, this is how easily you can just download cool wallpapers on your laptop. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.